again, assalamu alaikum to all of you here at the Halal Expo Philippines. Are you excited?
Halal Expo is important for the Philippines because we need a platform to showcase that the Philippines is ready to take on a bigger role in the global halal industry, and we invite the international communities to help us build the Philippine halal ecosystem in terms of infrastructure and of course the halal certification that is needed for the integrity component of the global halal industry.
Came here and do the research, and they said, let's do this. So we're here. Thank you so much for everyone.
Thank you very much for the halal organizer. This is very important. Dapat ma-introduce talaga ang halal. Importante ito sa ating industriya na makilala tayo bilang halal certified o halal group of companies dahil napakasarap po talaga ng halal. Sana matuloy-tuloy ito every year. We have to celebrate as halal certified in our country.
We are happy to make this show a landmark for the halal industry and put Philippines in the halal ecosystem map.
I'm glad to see the presence of individuals and institutions whose commitment to the growth of the industry goes beyond the call of service.
Every season lives outside of status quo. Meant to be expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now.
Halal Expo is really important for the Philippines because it's creating an awareness that halal is a huge industry that is an untapped market for the Philippines. We are focusing our halal products for more of export items, but now we need to continuously add that here within the country because we have so much to offer and we are just losing it because there are so many Arabs or Muslims from around the world who want to come to the Philippines, are afraid to do so because it's not halal friendly yet. So the importance of Halal Expo Philippines is to really create that awareness and to create that need or amplify the demand of halal in the Philippines.
We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make this lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right?
We joined the Halal Expo Philippines because we felt that we have Malaysians have a very good product. We need to share to the Philippine people.
With the whole world at our feet.
I would like to welcome you all to the first ever modest fashion show happening now at the Philippine Halal Expo in Manila, Philippines.
Start living now, 'cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living.
So joining the halal gave us more chance to have more exposure, especially in terms of business. And we really wanted to have a very good relationship with the Muslim community.
Baby, we should start living now.
The expo really helps us because first, we met so many business establishments. We will be joining forces together.
Start living now.
Actually, we joined the Halal Expo Philippines so that our organization the Islamic Dawah Council of the Philippines will be somehow known to the industry. We're doing the halal certification for the manufacturing industry.
Baby,